Hey everyone, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. I have another card video that I want to share with you, and I titled it Hooray, It's Your Birthday. So I have these flowers that I want to first shape. So I'm using a ball stylus, and then I have this pen that happens to have a very rounded tip that is just the size between the ball stylus that I have there, so I'm using that one to shape the flower. And then I'm ready to put the flower together with the stamen and all that, stamen. And then I'm ready to work on the card. This card, by the way, is also available as a free cut file on my blog, MistyHilltops.com. And so you can use it to make a similar card, obviously with your own papers and all that. So this one is a normal A2 size card, and I created a larger piece of pattern paper. Well, I just trimmed it to size, and that will be the background. And then I'm working with a scalloped circle, and on top of which I am putting this other circle there with a pattern paper. And so that will be the card. So here I'm just mounting the background pattern paper. Then I am ready to put this circle of pattern paper onto the scallop mat that I created with a somewhat contrasting color that still goes along with the color scheme. And then I have this flower to further embellish that little circle there. And then I will put that sentiment, which is a stamp that I stamped on one of my die labels. And so I put that there in the bottom of my page, and that's my card done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.